First things first, you have to install Unreal Engine 5 and then just start a new project. If you start a project, you can choose which kind of project you want to start. It's not really necessary which kind of project you start. I choose the automotive one and activate the ray tracing. I have already created this project, so I don't have to create it again. Then in the project you can see there are not the automotive materials because we have to add them to the project, and there's a little hack we can do it. First we have to go to the library and search for automotive, and then we find the automotive materials. They are totally for free and pretty good. First I assign them to the project. Here I can't see the Unreal 5 until I check the box. Then I mark my project, and in the bottom corner I assign it to the 4.27. Now you can see the assets get downloaded. If you already have downloaded this automotive pack, you can also do the same procedure without downloading them again. If you now start the project, you can see the materials are just fine. I think there's some render issue with the lumen render, but for the first shot I think it's pretty fine to work with this automotive materials. If you want to see more about the Maya and Unreal workflow, please write it in the comments, and thanks for watching.